Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to fix Java exception has occurred. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. If you're having trouble opening a Minecraft server, for example, and you get a Java error, all you need to do is go to the Java website. Once there, look for the button that says Download Java and click on it. The download will start, and once it's finished, we will install Java. We will have to accept an agreement, and then, once installed, everything should be in order and you will be able to run your Minecraft server. That's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.